we are here to announce Goa's Young Innovator Award 2019-20, which are being instituted by Goa State Innovative Council, which is under Department of Science and Technology. These awards are being given to students in two categories. Students of all the schools of Goa in two categories. First category is from 5th to 7th and second is from 8th to 10th. This is specially to inculcate among the students the importance of technology. Under our Department of Science and Technology, we want to encourage these young students to take up something different, something related to technology, which they have to bring the project and showcase it. And for that we are going to give awards of 20,000, rupees 10,000 and rupees 5,000. These are the three awards they will get in both these categories. The schools have been asked to submit projects. The last date for submission of these projects are 22nd February 2020. The winners of these projects will be announced in March 2020. So this is one platform which is given to all the schools where they have to come together, the students have to come together and bring their project, make a project, something innovative project which relates to technology, which relates to science. So we are talking about young scientists, we are talking about new innovations, we are talking about different technology which has changed, which is changing all over the world. So our department wants to bring in these young students and make them as young scientists, so that in the near future, they can take up different fields in respect to science and technology. I would also request Chairman of Goa State Innovation for Council, Shri Jose Manuel Morona, to explain in detail.